Look what I just picked up. What? A new lens. This one just came out in January. Cool. It is the Sony 18-135mm zoom with optical steady shot. Let's open up the box and see what it looks like. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Sony is not known for fancy packaging. The lenses are awesome, so you don't need fancy packaging when lenses are awesome. You got your standard instructions here. Lens stuff, warranty stuff. Wow. Lens hood. And there's what it looks like. Actually zoom it to 18 all the way to 135. It's fairly nice. It's not too loose, not too tight. It's just enough. Focus ring just has enough tension on it, and it also has a switch for autofocus and manual focus. So if you want to just switch to one to the other, you can. Here's the back of it, like most Sony lenses. Here's the front of it, pretty big. It's a pretty big opening. This lens isn't very heavy. I mean, obviously heavier than the kit lens, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would have been, considering that it goes from 18 to 135. I'll show you what the lens hood looks like. That's what it looks like with the lens hood. That's what it looks like when it's all the way straightened out. So here's the camera with the kit lens on it. This is the 55 to 210 other kit lens. You can see the size of them. This is what it looks like on the body of the A6000. And there you go. Oh wow. It is really fast autofocus. You gotta see this. How fast that is. That's fast and quiet. Listen, you can't even hear it. That's really cool. Well, so let's see what kind of pictures this takes.